Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Trends. I'm KNRK, your guide through the ever-evolving world of technology. We're always on the lookout for game-changing tech, and today we've got something really exciting lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Copilot, a revolutionary tool that's changing the way we work. Ever wished you had an extra pair of hands or maybe even an extra brain to help with your work? Imagine having a digital assistant that understands your needs and helps you tackle your tasks efficiently. Well, Microsoft Copilot is about as close as you can get. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow, making your life easier and your work more productive. Over the next few minutes, we're going to unpack exactly what Microsoft Copilot is, how it works, and the incredible features it offers. We'll explore why it's been making waves in the tech world, and why so many professionals are excited about its potential. We'll also show you how it can revolutionize the way you work, making tasks that once seemed daunting a breeze. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the future with Microsoft Copilot. Let's face it, we live in a world that's constantly demanding more. More productivity, more efficiency, more creativity. It can feel overwhelming. But what if technology could help us reclaim some of our time and energy? That's the promise of AI, and that's where Microsoft Copilot enters the picture. Microsoft Copilot is all about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to make our lives easier and our work more impactful. It's like having a super smart assistant who's always there to lend a helping hand no matter what task you're tackling. We're talking next-level productivity, folks. Stay tuned as we explore just how powerful this tool really is. So what exactly is Microsoft Copilot? In essence, it's your very own AI-powered assistant, seamlessly integrated into the Microsoft 365 suite you know and love. Think Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, all your daily drivers now supercharged with artificial intelligence. But Copilot isn't just about adding a few fancy features, it's about fundamentally changing the way we interact with technology. Imagine this. You're working on a presentation in PowerPoint, and you're struggling to find the perfect images. Instead of spending hours trawling through stock photo sites, you simply tell Copilot what you need, and it does the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a personal assistant who can anticipate your needs and seamlessly integrate with your workflow. One of the most remarkable things about Copilot is how deeply it's woven into the fabric of Microsoft 365. This isn't just some standalone app you have to constantly switch between, it's right there within the tools you use every day. Let's say you're drafting an email in Outlook, and you need to quickly summarize a lengthy email thread. Copilot can do that for you in seconds, saving you precious time and mental energy. Or perhaps you're working on a complex spreadsheet in Excel and need to analyze trends or generate charts. Copilot can handle those tasks with ease, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. It's all about streamlining your workflow and empowering you to work smarter, not harder. Section 3. The power of AI in Copilot. At its core, Microsoft Copilot is a testament to the transformative power of artificial intelligence. It leverages cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to understand your work patterns, anticipate your needs, and provide intelligent suggestions. But it's not about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying it. Think of Copilot as a powerful brainstorming partner, capable of generating creative text formats, translating languages on the fly, and even writing different kinds of creative content. It's like having a team of experts at your beck and call, ready to assist with any task, big or small. Let's dive into the heart of Copilot and explore its remarkable features. One area where Copilot truly shines is content creation and editing. Imagine yourself staring at a blank document in Microsoft Word, the dreaded cursor blinking back at you. With Copilot, those writer's block blues are a thing of the past. Simply give Copilot a prompt. It could be a title, a few keywords, or even just a general idea, and watch as it generates high-quality content right before your eyes. But it doesn't stop there. Copilot can also help you refine your existing content, suggesting improvements to grammar, tone, and style. Next, we move on to the realm of data, where Copilot once again proves its mettle. In Microsoft Excel, Copilot transforms into your very own data analyst, capable of crunching numbers and uncovering insights with remarkable speed and accuracy. Struggling to make sense of a massive spreadsheet? No problem. Copilot can identify trends, highlight anomalies, and even generate insightful charts and graphs, all with a few simple commands. It can also help you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic analysis. Section 3. Email and Collaboration Superstar. But Copilot's talents don't end there. In the realm of email and collaboration, Copilot is a true game changer. Let's face it, managing your inbox can feel like a full-time job. But with Copilot in your corner, taming your email becomes a breeze. Copilot can intelligently prioritize your emails, surfacing the most important messages first. It can help you craft professional and engaging responses, even suggesting different tone options to match your intent. And when it comes to scheduling meetings, Copilot takes the hassle out of finding common availability, making sure everyone's on the same page. Section 1. Expanding accessibility and reach. Microsoft understands that for Copilot to truly revolutionize the way we work, it needs to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or location. That's why they've been hard at work expanding Copilot's language support, ensuring it can cater to a diverse range of users. No longer limited to just a handful of languages, Copilot can now understand and interact with users in a truly global way, breaking down communication barriers. This means that professionals, students, and individuals all over the world can now benefit from the power of AI assistance in their native languages, making their tasks easier and more efficient. This commitment to inclusivity ensures that language is no longer a barrier to unlocking the full potential of Copilot, fostering a more connected and collaborative world. Imagine a world where language barriers in business, education, and communication are minimized thanks to the power of AI. This vision is becoming a reality with Copilot. That's the future that Microsoft is building towards, and Copilot is leading the charge, paving the way for a more inclusive and accessible digital landscape for everyone. Section 2. Seamless integration and enhanced experiences. But language support is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more beneath the surface that makes Copilot a game changer. Microsoft is also focused on making Copilot even more seamlessly integrated with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. This means that no matter which app you're using, Copilot is right there with you. Recent updates have focused on deepening Copilot's integration with core apps like Teams, Outlook, and others, resulting in a smoother, more intuitive user experience. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands the context of your work and helps you navigate through it effortlessly. Remember those times you had to switch between apps, copy-pasting information, and losing precious time in the process? It was frustrating and inefficient. Copilot is breaking down those silos, becoming an invisible thread that connects all your work. It ensures that your workflow is uninterrupted and that you can focus on what truly matters. Now you can move effortlessly between tasks, with Copilot providing intelligent assistance every step of the way. It's like having a coworker who knows exactly what you need, when you need it. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues in teams, sharing ideas and working on projects together, managing your schedule in Outlook, keeping track of meetings and deadlines, or crafting a compelling presentation in PowerPoint, making sure every slide is perfect, Copilot is there, working behind the scenes to make your life easier. It's the silent partner that enhances your productivity and ensures you can achieve more with less effort. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's natural to have questions about responsibility and ethical considerations. Microsoft takes these concerns seriously, and they've been proactive in addressing them with Copilot. They've introduced robust tools and frameworks for managing AI risks, ensuring that Copilot is used responsibly and ethically in the workplace. This includes features that promote fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI-driven decisions. But Microsoft hasn't stopped there. Recognizing that different industries have unique needs and challenges, they've developed specialized prompt collections tailored to specific sectors. This means that whether you're in finance, healthcare, education, or any other field, you can access prompts and suggestions that are relevant to your work. Now let's talk about how Microsoft Copilot can be a game changer for professionals across industries. In today's fast-paced work environment, efficiency is key, and Copilot is all about maximizing your productivity. Imagine being able to automate those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat into your day, things like scheduling meetings, summarizing documents, or creating presentations. With Copilot, these tasks can be completed in a fraction of the time, freeing you up to focus on more strategic, higher-level work. It's like having a personal assistant who can handle the mundane, allowing you to unleash your creativity and problem-solving skills on the things that truly matter. But Copilot isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter. By integrating seamlessly with your workflow, Copilot acts as a continuous learning partner, constantly analyzing your work patterns and suggesting ways to improve. It can help you write more effectively, analyze data more insightfully, and communicate your ideas more clearly. Think of it as having a personal coach who's always there to provide constructive feedback and help you develop new skills. In today's competitive job market, having a tool like Copilot in your arsenal can be a real differentiator, giving you a competitive edge and accelerating your career growth. Section 3. Real-world impact Copilot in action. The best way to understand the true power of Microsoft Copilot is to see it in action. Across industries, professionals are already leveraging Copilot to achieve remarkable results and transform the way they work. Take the healthcare industry, for example. Doctors and nurses are using Copilot to quickly analyze patient data, identify potential risks, and make more informed treatment decisions. In the financial sector, analysts are using Copilot to sift through massive datasets, identify market trends, and make better investment recommendations. And in the education field, teachers are using Copilot to create engaging lesson plans, provide personalized feedback to students, and streamline administrative tasks. These are just a few examples of how Microsoft Copilot is already making a tangible difference in the real world. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications for Copilot across various industries. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a corporate executive, Copilot has the potential to revolutionize the way you work, making you more efficient, more effective, and more fulfilled in your career. So embrace the power of AI and unlock a world of possibilities with Microsoft Copilot. As we've seen throughout this video, Microsoft Copilot is more than just a software update. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach work in the digital age. We're on the cusp of an AI revolution, and Copilot is leading the charge. It's about empowering individuals, boosting productivity, and unlocking levels of creativity and efficiency we never thought possible. The days of wrestling with tedious tasks, drowning in data, and hitting creative roadblocks are fading fast. Copilot isn't about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying it. It's about freeing us from the mundane so we can focus on what truly matters. The strategic thinking, the innovative problem solving, the human connections that drive progress. So, what are you waiting for? The future of work is here, and it's within your grasp. Microsoft Copilot is more than just a tool. It's a partner, a collaborator, a force multiplier for your potential. Whether you're a student striving for academic excellence, a professional aiming for peak productivity, or simply someone who wants to navigate the digital world with greater ease and confidence, Copilot is here to help you succeed. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Embrace the power of AI, unlock your full potential, and join the countless others who are already transforming their workflows and achieving remarkable results with Microsoft Copilot. The future is now. Seize it. So, are you ready to unlock the power of Microsoft Copilot and transform your workflow? I've included some helpful resources in the description below, including links to the official Microsoft Copilot website, where you can explore its features in detail and even try it out for yourself. And hey, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more exciting tech trends and tutorials. I'm really keen to hear about your experiences with Copilot. Have you tried it yet? What are your favorite features? Let's get the conversation going in the comments section below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.